Our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word for the day is TAHUM. 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 When we say TAHUM in English, that would either mean beauty, loveliness, comeliness, handsomeness, goodliness, attractiveness, like being nice, lovely, pretty, good-looking, or attractiveness. TAHUM. TAHUM. Let us have the following sample sentences. Katahom gid diri sa Pilipinas. Katahom gid diri sa Pilipinas. When we say gid, that means kind of like really, and diri is here, and then Pilipinas is Philippines. Katahom gid diri sa Pilipinas. It's really beautiful in here in the Philippines. The next Hiligaynon or Ilonggo sentence that we have is matahom gid ang imo utod nga si Maria. Matahom gid ang imo utod nga si Maria. When we say matahom, that's pretty or beautiful. Gid is really, imo is your, and when we say utod, that's sibling. Utod. And then Maria is the name of that person's sibling. Matahom gid ang imo utod nga si Maria. That means your sibling Maria is really beautiful. Matahom gid ang imo utod nga si Maria. Katahom gid diri sa Pilipinas. Matahom gid ang imo utod nga si Maria. And that's all for our Ilonggo or Hiligaynon word for the day, which is TAHUM. TAHUM. That means pretty or beautiful or attractive. TAHUM. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much. Goodbye and take care.